What's up, my brown nuggets? Welcome to Parker's Crazy Adventures. Today we're gonna do a taste test.
Okay, Parker and girls. Today we're trying 4 different animal meats. Okay? Because you're guessing. Okay, so we have alligator, we have a buffalo stick, and ostrich stick, and kangaroo stick.
Mix them up.
Okay?
Do you have bacon?
So, and
Bacon.
we do have the bacon, if we have time for that. And we did get some interesting chocolate from IKEA.
Yeah, it's good.
And actually 2 different flavors. So, let's start with the meat sticks first, which is
Don't
probably
look at-
going to drive Bella
We don't have to
nuts.
close our eyes. We just have to just look away. No, we're gonna open our eyes when
So
we eat
this
it.
is the first. You guys can guess what it is.
Hopefully Bella doesn't try to get them.
Hopefully not. Here you are. No Bella.
Um.
And there you are.
Okay.
Give it a
here-
smell
Give it a
first.
sniff.
Okay, here it is.
3, 2, 1. What is it like?
Kind of like
Oh,
tastes weird.
that's getting hot.
Is it spicy?
A little.
What's
kinda
it, is it
sour.
taste like? Does it taste like any meat that we eat normally?
No, yeah,
No.
What's it taste
kinda.
like?
No.
tastes like beef stick things.
Oh. Is it more beefy?
Are we allowed to know
chickeny,
like
hearty?
what the options are?
Yeah, remember?
Yeah, so it's either buffalo, alligator, ostrich, or kangaroo.
I think it's buffalo.
I'm gonna guess ostrich.
Okay?
Kangaroo.
Do you want to know now?
Yeah.
Okay. It was the ostrich.
Yay, I was right. Wow.
Did it taste chickeny?
No.
Or birdish?
Yeah, it kinda. It
You
tasted
think
birdish, even though I've
Birdish?
never tasted a bird.
Okay, here's
It's
your
like
next.
oh yeah, chicken.
Here's your next one.
Okay.
Okay.
Has a little piece of meat
It's just the
skin.
casing.
It
Yeah, it's
looks
just the
the
casing.
same.
I think I know what this is already.
There's
Wow.
No, oh, don't taste it yet.
Okay, ready?
Give it a good
Give it a
smell
sniff.
first.
Does it smell different?
Give it the smell test.
Yeah, I already know what it is.
here it is.
It's a little like smoother.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's smoother.
All right,
Taking
so
the
3,
skin off.
2, 1.
3, 2, 1, go.
I don't like this. Me neither. It's weird. It's really.
It's kind of spicy like the last
I
one.
don't know where
Bella,
it is.
stop. Poor Bella. What is it?
Kangaroo. Yeah, I'm gonna
Okay.
have to go with kangaroo too.
Kangaroo.
What makes you think it's kangaroo?
It just tastes. It just doesn't taste like anything else.
Okay.
And I feel like
You ready to know the truth?
yeah.
It's actually alligator.
What?
It was gator.
This tastes disgusting.
Daddy actually
No.
really likes alligator.
It's gross.
Oh, Daddy,
We had alligator in
it's kind of
Florida.
spicy.
Here you go.
Can you bring up some water?
Is this the next one?
Yep, here's your
I
next
thought
one.
This was the same.
Okay.
I think I already know what it is.
What do you think it is?
I'm telling you after I eat.
Smell first.
There it is.
Okay.
It's a good one.
It smells sweeter. Like
Watch Bella. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Good?
I'm gonna guess buffalo.
yep,
Kangaroo.
buffalo.
I'm gonna keep guessing.
Are you ready?
Kangaroo.
Buffalo.
What?
It's kangaroo.
What? Wow!
Okay.
I didn't get any right.
Then we know what the last one is buffalo. So.
Oh.
But
I'm
That's
gonna
fine.
guess just by looking at it, buffalo.
Chicken?
No, buffalo.
but
Alright, take a smell.
Smells the same.
And then you already know what it is.
all of them smell exactly the same.
What do you think about buffalo?
Tastes like the same kangaroo.
I actually really like buffalo.
Tastes good.
I think it's good.
It's
Yummy.
not that bad. I mean, it's not that good, but it's
Okay,
not
this
that
one's definitely bacon, but it's sweetened.
Okay, so let's try. This bacon is let's see. Sweet, it says. It just says sweet.
Can you get water?
Bella wants some.
Because this is spicy meat.
Well, maybe the sweet bacon will help make you feel better.
Oh, I want sweet
It's
bacon.
like, it's like
Ew.
syrupy. Maybe they put
Oh,
some-
that's
It's probably just coated in sugar.
that smells good.
No,
Show the
Bella.
camera, Parker. Parker, show the camera. Just don't touch the lens. Ooh, sweet bacon. Not in focus.
It's sticky. I'm gonna eat the whole entire thing.
Yummy. Yum,
Bella.
yum.
Okay.
Ready?
We allowed to eat it?
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Ugh. That's gross.
It's not good.
No.
Oh,
Tastes like oily.
Okay.
But like, please get us water from downstairs?
Oh.
It just has brown sugar.
Yeah, that tastes gross.
Weird.
Can you get us water?
When we're done.
No.
Okay, we got 2 more things to try. You ready?
No.
Okay, so the first one. Parker, you want to show them?
Okay.
You can just show the camera.
It's chocolate with like
Scooch.
chocolate with things that.
You're too close. The light can't hit it, buddy. There we
No.
go.
No.
Yeah.
Get Bella out of here or something.
Chocolate with lingonberries.
Yeah.
I don't have no idea
It
what
looks
those
gross.
are.
Okay. Come here.
Let's try this.
Oh, this is a big bar.
Yeah, it's like a bar of chocolate.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm opening it.
I mean, it doesn't look that bad. It looks like a normal chocolate.
I can see the little
Wait,
dot.
don't touch it. Just can you like separate
It's
Oh,
it?
it tastes fine.
What's it look like?
It's just like a chocolate bar. No, just like a.
Can you
I'm trying
show us, Parker?
This is
Not too
a,
close.
Okay. These
and
actually
like
look
the
pretty
back
good.
is a whole bunch of
This
berries.
looks actually good.
So
Like maybe for once this is like sweet.
A good find?
Yeah.
I don't want to eat it.
Okay. Why? It looks good.
Oh, it doesn't.
Okay.
It
3,
smells like dark
2,
chocolate.
1.
Mmm. Not bad. I mean, it doesn't taste terrible, but it.
I don't taste anything. Right? Now I taste the sweetness.
Okay. There's like raspberries or something in it. That's not raspberries, it's lingonberry.
Okay.
Okay.
You don't like it?
It's sour.
I really
like
like
sour.
it. It's really good. And okay, this is our next thing.
Okay.
The Larabar, it's cherry pie.
I don't know why we would think this is
I-
weird.
What's your favorite kind?
Peanut butter chocolate, but I haven't tasted this kind before. So,
Ew.
You're gonna
Okay,
crack
this
it.
is
here
really.
it is.
Okay, maybe it will taste good. Ew, can I just.
It looks like barf.
So what's in this?
Okay.
I
It's
don't
just
want
3 ingredients.
I'm not eating this.
Almonds,
It-
cherries, and dates. So it shouldn't be.
It
kinda
kinda
looks
looks
like
like
barf.
dates. Dates look so gross.
That's the
Yeah, but
inside.
that's what's in all the Lar bars is dates. are dates.
Inside. I don't want to eat this. Do
Okay,
I
give it
have
a try.
to?
Mhm,
1,
everyone's
3,
watching.
2, 1. No. Okay, that tastes terrible. Oh. Yeah, that tastes so gross. Ugh. I don't know why Grandma likes that. Oh.
No.
Oh,
Okay. Now, hopefully this will be a little better.
Okay.
Parker, you want to show that to the camera?
A little better.
Show the package to the camera.
Okay.
Read what it is. You can scoop out.
I don't know what it is. Wait, what does that say?
No.
No, it's
Flavored toffee. Let me see.
That's
Lime.
Lime flavor.
Lime
toffee.
flavored toffee.
Covered with chocolate.
Covered with chocolate.
Okay.
Maybe this is
What's the
good.
packaging look like?
Maybe it'll be our favorite candy.
It looks like this.
It looks pretty good.
It looks big.
Yeah.
It's kind of big.
Well, it's a chocolate, so I'm just gonna unwrap this. Oh, this looks good.
This is from.
Hey, this looks like a normal chocolate. Kind of looks
This
like
is
those.
made in Finland,
What's Finland?
Looks good.
and it has a whole lot of stuff in it. Okay, you got them unwrapped.
Wait,
Okay.
here's the
Yeah.
wrap.
I'm actually excited to try.
Like,
This
these
looks
don't
really
look that
good.
bad.
Okay,
I'm just gonna
Three.
are
open it.
you ready?
First, I want to
Two.
open it.
3, 2. Oh, you want to see what the inside looks like?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
That's good.
caramel. Kind
Does this look caramely?
Yes, it looks caramel.
Doesn't look lime
Oh
flavored.
yeah, it looks like caramel.
Okay, don't get it.
Okay.
on the carpet.
Ew.
Ready?
All right, 3, 2, 1.
I can taste the lime, but it kind of just tastes like
I'm trying to decide if I like it or if I don't like it.
it kind of just tastes like the chocolate with caramel inside.
Lime?
I taste the
I
lime.
taste lime, but it's really
That's
good.
actually really good.
yeah.
You
Cause
like it?
it's like
But the lime
it's like a
tastes,
Starburst mixed with like chocolate, and
except
but
That sounds terrible to me.
I know, but like it tastes good. I don't know.
I don't
It
know.
tastes like a gum that
The
I
lime
tasted.
flavor is really
little.
dull. You can hardly taste it.
Would you eat another one?
Yeah,
Mhm.
they're really good.
Would you, Parker?
I would eat one that's already like soggy, like in someone's mouth.
That's gross.
No, I also like it.
I mean, I like
So we
it, but
have
it's
another
not the
one.
best thing in the world.
Huh?
I like it, but it's not the best thing in the world. I mean,
Okay.
If it's the only sweet to eat. It's too sweet?
He spit it out.
Okay, so no on the lime chocolate for Parker.
Yeah, good.
All right.
Not good.
See ya.
Thanks for joining me on Parker's Crazy Adventures. See you later, brown nuggets.